So they have somewhat of a unique twist on the Old Fashioned. Not a huge fan of unique twists, but it's not that crazy of a twist. They use a root beer bitters. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again for another Old Fashioned Friday, and today we're at Earls Kitchen and Bar, which is located right here in Tysons Corner, Virginia. If you're not familiar with Tysons Corner, there's two giant malls here, massive. One's like kind of a regular mall. The other one's this like super high-end mall that has, anything you want to spend way too much money on, you can go there and you can find it. So again, today we're at Earls for another Old Fashioned Friday, and right across from Earls is Eddie V's. I've been there, both good places, and right outside of Earls is kind of like a common area where you can, hang out, have a drink, have a coffee, play some soccer, who knows. You guys know how this works. It's 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance of the entire establishment. I'll do ambiance first. Right now, Tysons is kind of like, for lack of better terms, it's a show. The elevators are closed. Half the entrances to get into the mall and the restaurant are closed. It's just difficult to even get in here to do anything. If you want to go shopping, the fitting rooms are closed. And again, half the entrances to even walk in the restaurant are closed, elevators closed. It's just, there's a lot going on just to come and have a nice drink. Pre-COVID, I've been to Earls many times, and I love it here. It's a great atmosphere, especially when the weather's nice, outdoor patio area, super nice. So under normal circumstances, they might get a little higher, but just getting here is a process. And again, even getting inside the restaurant, people were walking by asking me how to get in. I don't work here. So listen, we'll go 0.5 overall ambiance of the entire restaurant. And then appearance on the Old Fashioned. They got the single cube right there. Luxardo cherry, orange peel, decent sized glass, not clear ice, but still single cube, Luxardo cherry, orange peel, all pluses. Off appearance, I'm gonna go 2-3, 2-3, and first sip. So I asked, this is good. I asked them what kind of Old Fashioned they have on their menu. So they have somewhat of a unique twist on the Old Fashioned. Not a huge fan of unique twists, but it's not that crazy of a twist. They use a root beer bitters, which is different. You can definitely taste that in here. So you get a little bit of root beer flavor, just like a very, 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 very small touch, nothing crazy. So first sip, I'm gonna go 2-2, and overall. The consistency is good. Thank you.
Still working on?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so it's just Maker's Mark, some sugar, and root beer bitters. I do like the root beer little touch to it. And again, I'm not a fan of the doing any kind of twists on these, so that's nice. It's pretty solid, clean. Not my favorite, definitely not the worst, super good. I'm gonna go 2-1 on overall, 7-1 I think I'm at. I think I'm at 7-1, I don't even remember. But yeah, Earls Kitchen and Bar, Tysons Corner, Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.